Yeah. Someone I went to school with, someone who took all the girls in school. You know, this guy was walking around with his guitar, doing his thing. But this is a very proud moment for myself. And I tell him this all the time, but he's like, oh, stop it. But Dramna, how you feeling, man? I'm not calling you tonight. How you feeling, man?
I'm feeling very nervous. I'm feeling excited. I mean, it's Ghana's biggest music night. Hey, it's not big basa. Ghana's biggest music night. So we're here to have a good time. We're here to have fun. We're here to pick up a few awards. You know, enjoy the show basically. So yeah.
When it comes to these awards and acknowledgements, are you, let me say, used to it by now? Is it like, it's a normal thing, or do you always get surprised?
Always there's an element of surprise in it because so many artists work so hard. So if you're nominated for anything, I mean, you have to pray that you take it because it could go to anybody else. So there's elements of surprise. Sometimes there's some of that was that, you know, this one, I've worked hard, I'm supposed to take it. But yeah, most of the times it's just you leave it to God, to you and God.
And how do you feel when you don't win those awards? Because, you know, I always say behind the fame and if there's a normal human being who has emotions and stuff. So how do you feel when it doesn't necessarily go your way, even though you might deserve it?
Sometimes it bash, I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes it's painful, but life goes on. I keep saying that awards don't define artists. Sometimes you win some, you lose some. Life goes on, Charlie. Yeah.
Nice one, man. So all the best tonight, you know. Take all the ladies tonight, do your thing. And yeah, are there any awards you're expecting tonight though? Any expectations?
I don't know the categories that are given tonight, but if I'm in there, I'm expecting to take something home, you get me? So yeah, Vim.
Nice one. That's my man KiDi. So stay tuned in.